flood warning have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 22 degrees with snow. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, blizzard conditions, low 20, winds north-northeast at 25 to 35 miles per hour, snow accumulation of a foot or more. And on Wednesday, blizzard conditions, high 22, winds north-northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour, 4 to 6 inches of snow expected. And Wednesday night, bitterly cold, fair skies, low -6, winds west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Thursday, a mainly sunny sky, very cold, high 11. Here's our 7-day outlook.